Hello everyone, my name's Marina. Welcome back to my channel. It's starting to get really hot, like really hot, and it's come so suddenly. I don't even think I'm ready yet for summer. I have nothing ready, nothing knitted, nothing even planned. My winter knits are still all over the bedroom, pouring out of bedroom cupboards. I really think I need to sort it out. I really think I need to now officially say goodbye to winter and start thinking about what I'm going to knit for summer. Lots of stuff to do. So it is officially summer. It is about 35 degrees today and I am hot. I think it's time to officially put away my winter sweaters for the summer period. Where should we start? So it was my partner's birthday in March and I made him this Ingrid sweater by Petite Knit. I made in a heavy merino from Knitting for Olive, and it is very warm, and I really want to keep this for him in the best possible condition. So this I will definitely be keeping. The next sweater, this was actually a test knit, and this was the Giovanni sweater by Woozy for Celine. I made this in Drops Daisy. I really do though want to redo the Giovanni sweater. The way that I did the collar, I don't know if you can quite see it, but it rolls. And it's because I didn't use a small enough needle for the collar. Plus, the Drops Daisy, because I had to size up, I'm up to 5.5mm needles. And I don't think Drops Daisy's works on 5.5. I mean, it works because look, I made a sweater from it. But I think the gauge and the fabric it makes was just a bit too loose, and it would definitely be on the pile to remake again in the winter, just using, I think, better suited yarn. This one was my second ever sweater that I made. So this is the Cinema sweater by Kuta for Kika. I just love it. I love it. I love having that cozy white winter sweater that you just want to sort of cuddle up in. It's really oversized wear. This one's definitely going to be on the pile to wash and to put away for next winter. Okay, another favorite sweater that's definitely also going in the pile to put away for the winter is this one here. So this sweater is called Coffee Run. It's from Kuta for Kika's latest knitting book, and I just love it. I held it double with Knitting for Olive silk mohair. Oh my gosh, I need to do more with Knitting for Olive silk mohair. It's so soft. This one also is definitely going in the want to keep and store away for the winter pile. So I have a little plastic box here, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to wash all of these, almost reblock them. So I'm going to lay them out flat to dry because I don't want any of them to get sort of ruined, if you like, in that process. Then I'm going to show you what I then put inside the plastic box in order just to be extra secure in keeping moths and insects away from your lovely handmade knits. whilst I'm waiting for my knits to dry, I thought I would show you guys how I make my lavender sachets. Lavender is the herb that I use in order to keep all the moths and critters away. It's such a lovely scent. It's absolutely beautiful. So what I do, I make my own lavender sachets. I have a few lavender sachets here that I have left over still from winter last year. So what I do, I take these little hexagons, but they're basically a paper template. You can put them in any shape or size. It's completely down to your choice. I have mine, I think these are about 1 inch or 1.5 inch hexagons, and they are perfect. You probably don't want them any bigger. And what I do, I basically wrap fabric around these. And once you've done that, they will look something like this. You use these little like threads to hold the fabric down to the paper. So I make these little hexagons, and once you've got a couple of these, you basically just stitch them together and they form a bigger hexagon. Like I said, you probably don't want your lavender sachets any bigger than this. This is probably the most perfect size, and these sort of sized lavender sachets fit very, very nicely into my, you can put them in pillows, but obviously for this purpose, I'm using them to store away my winter knits.
Mistake, I'm an actor. You walked in and everything faded to black. And let you see, had to back on. Why you still digging? Why you peeking under my hood? Time they pass, but I still see your face in flashes. Why you haunt my dreams, won't burn me into ashes? See the way I need ya. They do me amnesia, I know your trouble, but you feel like a miracle, miracle, miracle. You feel like a miracle.
Good morning, everyone. I thought I would come out this morning because it's such a lovely day, as you can see. We've had 1 week of really, really intense heat here in Paris, and I'm just really enjoying these cooler moments of the early morning. It's really, really quite relaxing. I am also taking a moment just to think about my summer knitting projects. I've already started to work on a few summer knits already. I would like to do, I think, a lot more with cotton yarn this year. I've already made and designed one summer project. I'm not going to release it as a pattern or anything because for this moment, I'm very much at the moment in experimentation stage. I kind of want to learn how to construct got flies all over me. I really want to learn how to construct a good summer top, but a summer top that kind of doesn't lose its shape. I found from previous years that when I knit with cotton yarn, that the garment, it kind of stretches, and when it stretches, it doesn't bounce back. It really, really does lose its shape. And I kind of want to figure out this year how to construct a good summer top that you can then wear over many, many years to come, so it becomes much more valuable. I also want to do a lot when it comes to sort of knitting summer dresses and summer skirts. I really want to learn how to construct a very good skirt and dress and all those sort of pretty things. I think I'm getting eaten alive. The flies seem to love me, so I thought I would just share some of my summer thoughts with you, but I think it's time to get back home and finish packing away those winter knits. Okay guys, winter is officially finished. I have put all my winter knits in here. The winter knits that I want to keep in a nice condition, that I want to use, and that I don't want any moths or insects or heat or anything else that I can't think of getting to them over the summer period, so I can keep them nice and neat and in good condition for winter. I have spent literally the whole week this week washing all my winter knits and putting them away nice and neatly, but I'm so happy that I've done it now because we are literally in the midst of a heat wave. So in terms of the time to take to dry them, it has been really quick. So for anyone else, I recommend doing them now. So moving on to my summer projects, I have been using the latest, I never know how you say this word in English. Is it LAN? Anyway, I'm going to pronounce it as LAN. And I've just been looking through this book. It's been very influential in terms of my summer projects and what I really want to do. So I will follow up, I think, with that in a future video. I do hope that you've enjoyed watching this little video that I've put together of me packing away, saying goodbye to winter 2025/2026 and bringing in and welcoming summer with such huge intensity. Oh my God. But I think I will follow up in a future video on how I get on with my summer knits. So if you want to see how I get on with that, or what I'm planning on doing for summer, or my finished summer pieces, then stay tuned. Please subscribe because it really helps. And if you have any summer knit pattern recommendations, please add them to the comments down below so I can just check those out. I'm also over on Instagram, so if you want to check out what I'm doing in real time, you can also subscribe to my Instagram account, and I will catch you there. So thank you so much for watching once again, everyone, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.